Hey there, fellow RackNerd user. I'm Christian from RackNerd, and I am thrilled to have you here today. Today's video is all about paying your invoices. Now, I know that might not sound like the most exciting topic, but trust me, understanding this process is essential for a seamless hosting experience. Before we dive in, if you are not already a part of the RackNerd family, head over to RackNerd.com to explore our hosting solutions. Now, let's jump into the nitty-gritty of paying your invoices and why it matters. Alright, so I know this might be a little bit self-explanatory to most of you guys, but hear me out. We want to make sure that all of our users, especially those who are new to the online world, will have no problem using our platform. We want all to take advantage of our great service and offer, whatever state of technical knowledge you have on the internet. And paying your invoices on time is one of the crucial steps you need to understand completely when you're doing your business online, which means you don't have to worry about any service interruptions. It's like keeping the lights on for your website. Plus, it helps us continue to provide top-notch support and improve our services. It's a win-win. And before we get into the how-to, let me quickly remind you of why RackNerd is the go-to hosting solution. We're all about reliability, performance, and excellent customer support. Whether you're running a personal blog or a business website, RackNerd has your back either way. So let me share my screen and let's go ahead and get started with this tutorial. All right, so I'm on my screen here and let's get down to business. I'm going to walk through the process step by step. First, head over to RackNerd.com and click on the My Account link in the top right corner of your screen. You will be directed to log into your account with us. You can also check the welcome email from RackNerd if you ever forgot your credentials. Once you're logged in, click on the billing menu, and in the drop-down list, you will find My Invoices. It's usually prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your invoices. Now, feel free to choose the invoice with the unpaid status in which you'll want to pay. RackNerd makes it super easy to review your invoices, so you always know what you're paying for. Next, select your preferred payment method. We offer a variety of options to suit your needs, from PayPal to credit cards, wire transfer, and other secure methods. Please double check all of the details, make sure everything looks good, and then hit that Pay Now button. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, a quick guide on paying your invoices on RackNerd. It's a small step that ensures your online presence stays strong and reliable. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to our fantastic support team, which is available 24/7. Remember, visit RackNerd.com to discover more about our powerful and reliable hosting solutions. Thank you for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next video and talk soon.